Last week, me and my partner did something really exciting here in the house. We did a high vibration challenge where we basically just gave points from 1 to 5 to things that we consider that would raise our vibration. Because we started to notice being more sensitive and aware to our day to day life, that whenever we have a great habit, that we wanted to implement into our routine, we just let it sleep or we switch it by whatever came that was the most fun and comfortable to do in the moment, such as, okay, I do want to wake up and I want to meditate and I want to do breath work and I want to connect to myself before I give space to whatever in the day is coming towards me. But I just end up waking up, grabbing my phone and scrolling down into social media or opening someone's messages that was so random and brought me to a different place in my day that wasn't actually being back to myself and connecting with me. So doing this challenge was really exciting because first we were competing with each other, but also winning because both of us were hiring our vibration and being able to do different and more fun, exciting things. And what I realized was that personal growth requires discipline. For example, if you want to build muscle, if you want to get strong, you need to have discipline going to the gym and also with whatever you're eating in your diet. You need to focus on eating more protein, and that requires more discipline into your habits. And is needed as you adult into this life to be a parent to that child that lives inside of yourself. Maybe a child that wanted to have everything, but in the house that you grew up, you didn't have as much. Or maybe is a child that wants to be really comfortable because he grew up not being as much safe. There's always a moment that you gotta get in touch with that child and bring it at to do things that are important to you. And you're gonna notice that the more you do and the more you repeat doing those things, even your child is gonna love it because the person that you're gonna become is the most exciting version that you can be of yourself. So yeah, discipline sucks, but it's so important into becoming a higher version of yourself. It's important to have the discipline to being present, to meditate, and also set up a time and making sure that you're gonna wake up and do that thing. Otherwise, if you just go with the flow, usually you tend to do whatever your body learned throughout your life that is the safe and an environment that is well known. It's hard for your body to go into places where it doesn't know exactly if you're gonna be in a safe position. If you go back to caveman ages, your body basically learned how to keep you in the most safe and comfortable setting because this is a survival skill. That was what before would help you to be alive. And now if you want to live in more love and growth, you might need to break that pattern and bring discipline into your life. And another side of discipline, another shadow of discipline that I want to bring to you is that if you go too much into it, if you are just so intense into be a disciplined person, that can be unhealthy as well. I used to have in my head that intense military asking me to go above and beyond all expectations, to give all of myself in, and that can be so exhausting. So making discipline something fun is the best alternative that I found. Doing this high vibration and counting points was really exciting because it was a nice balancing to keeping discipline with being fun and not being that intense in a way that it just becomes a burden. So my tip for you is if there's anything in your life that requires change, requires doing something out of your comfort zone and it's closer to the person that you see yourself and the person that you want to be, just apply more discipline. The coziest, funniest, easiest environment you could create to yourself. Don't forget that you're a creator and your highest version is something that you can create as well, bringing techniques and tools that you're allowed to imagine and just draw into your world. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to learn one thing into. My purpose here is to help you to grow into your highest vibration, to the best version that you could be. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a comment below, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.